before we do this move, you need to do some exercises, and some exercises are like this, straight like this, okay, and then use both of your hands and move down, stretch yourself, keep going down, then get up, put your hands on the back, here on the hip, and keep your legs open, like this. Go as long as you can go down, move both of your hands to your leg, like this way, and go down as long as you can go. To do the back walkover, go back like this, and when you're on the floor, you can go. Oh, sorry. It has been several years. I have no practice, but I want to tell you how I achieved this. So you have to go like this. Okay? You need to practice. Okay? This is what they tell you in tutorials. But there is a way. You can, if you are in practice, you are exercising, and your stretching is good. You can do this. You can do the back walkover, and to achieve that, you don't really need to be on the ground. You can use anything like this. For example, I'm showing you with a chair where you don't need to keep your feet on the ground. It is for a start. Once you are able to do a back walkover, you can easily go down into the floor. We will start from this one. You have to start something higher than the ground level for your feet. It should be higher level. So you will get a support for a back walkover. Let me show you how. First I will start with the top of the chair. So look at this. Okay. Oh my god. There are my feet. Look. Easy. Light. And then you can throw yourself like this. When starting, you can use your head on the ground. So use your head on the ground and use your feet higher than the ground level. So this way, you won't really need to push hard. This is very easy. You can easily achieve this. So you don't really need to rely on both of your hands. First start with your head and your feet higher than the ground level. Once you have done it, then you can use your hand level. And when you are good at hand level, then you can go down. Then you can move your hand. Then you can move your feet from higher level to the lower level. And when you are good at this level, then remove the chair or bed, anything that you are using, and then go with the direct ground level. Let me use something for my head level because it is ground and it is hurting me. So let's go again. Let me show you this. I'm okay. You don't need to do this. Yes! One. I will try to use the lower level, the mid level, a little bit down. Let's see how it goes. Without practice, it is really hard. I have no practice, but anyway, stretching is not very good. Now, this is the high level, but I am going down now from this level. Then, oh my god, sorry. To push hard, we need to use our feet. We need to push by feet. Now I will try with the head level. We're using both hands. It is a little bit harder. I'm tired. Oh my god. This is so hard without exercise. Anyway, if I can do this, you can also do this. Believe me, if I can do this level without exercise, and you can do this really easy. Oh my god. Move slowly like this. Keep close to yourself as long as you can. Like this. This. 1, 2, 3. See? So you have to throw yourself in your feet. Oh my god. That's hard. Oh. So guys, that was for today, and if I have done it, you can also do this. It is not a step-by-step tutorial, or it is not something I am making you doing the exercise. It is just to show you it is easy. And now my mind is getting circulation in the mind. So try yourself. You have seen me. And seriously, just to tell you, when you are starting, you can use your hand, as I told you, use the hand on the backside for the ground level, and use your feet on higher level, so you can at least push yourself easily. Throw with your feet, you have to push it. And when you are comfortable using this, you simply remove the higher level and go to the middle level. And when you are also comfortable on this, you can go to the ground level. So when you are using the back, when you are in the bridge position, you can easily use your feet to jump back. So this is how you go. Like in a start, it is hard, but slowly you can take over it. Slowly make yourself comfortable with this move. Your head on ground or your hands on ground. You can try a different combination and make yourself comfortable, whatever method works best for you. So good luck. Thank you for watching.